Let me see your smile. Yay! Nice. আবার দেখো বার্ড কই? ওই যে দেখা যাচ্ছে, ওই যে ছোট ছোট সাদা সাদা কি যে বার্ড। Vivan, do you love to walk? What else you like to?
I like to go this way.
You like to go this way?
Yes.
And Sharmi.
I like to go that.
Wow. Then what are you gonna do after?
Then I follow it. We're looking the goose and we're playing in the park.
Okay.
In the last one, we're going back to home.
Wow. So are you gonna have fun now?
And in home time, we're gonna have our lunch.
Okay. They got lovely something
There you
to
go.
in your lunch,
That.
yeah?
That.
Oh, which way?
That way.
Or do you want to go this way?
Yes.
Which way you want to go? That way, that way. Daddy said this way.
দেখো নিউ বিল্ডিং বাবা
Oh, look,
দেখো,
look
they are
the blue
making new
building.
building.
Wow, you see? এটারে কি বলে বলো ওই যে লং টারে?
ওটা কি বাবা
Flat.
No, it's a long one. Tall
Flat. They're making flat by
one. There's a tall one.
Yeah, Tara.
Tall. Blue tall one. What's that one
ওই
called?
দেখো ওটা crane. Is it called crane? Yeah. Hey, Sharmi, বলো what shape it is? কি shape আছে বলো?
It's rectangle.
It's not rectangle. It's a L shape, kind of L shape.
No.
T.
Yeah.
You want to call it T. T.
Yeah, it's kind of T as well. Wow, we get to see crow. Is it crow now? London crow. Let's see the crow. So actually, don't go over there. It's gonna fly. And little lake at the front. What was? Rishi, come over here. Come over here. We're gonna have seat here. Come. Daddy gonna be sit here for a while, then we're gonna go again. Look, there is a squirrel. Can't see over there.
I saw.
Look, there is a squirrel coming over here. Especially look over there. Oh yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, they're jumping to see the squirrel. যাকে বলে চিয়ে। Ay, come back. Daddy said come back. You have to come back, Baba. লন্ডনের একটা ছোটখাটো পার্কে আমরা ছুটির দিনে হাঁটতে এসেছি সবাই মিলে। Ma, wait, Daddy doing some work. You have to come back. We're scared to go there. Come back. Sharmi, I দেখো, got another crow, Baba. ওই দেখো। Look, Baba. ওখানে crow and squirrel. Friend হয়েছে দেখো ওখানে ওই দেখো
I think this one.
yeah they got 2 squirrel and 1 crow. They're having fun over there.
Now
They're not fighting, you see.
2 plus 1 equals 3.
And what else can you see at the front? You see there is a lake at the front of of there, so you're gonna have fun over there.
Well, over there.
What?
I did it.
Did it hand to the Baba? Hold this hand please. Yes, wait Karo.
Let's run.
Let's run. Where?
Shape is great.
তুমি কোথায় যাবে রান করে বাবা?
Go run.
Be careful, Sharmi. But you're gonna fall. Remember yesterday? Hey. And now it's be careful. So we're gonna wait here until Daddy said, "Let's go." We have to wait. Oh, it's a tree. It's a nice tree. But I cannot. Oh, this is a nice Christmas tree. Can you see? It's in the park. It's a nice.